Hi everybody, my name is Merav and this is my project. In my project I have dealt with water remediation system at two different scales to show prototypes for greywater treatment and desalinization. What if we could create closed water system by reusing greywater and harvesting rainwater? And what if we could desalinate rising seas at a minimal energetic cost? Our Governor's Island's water supply is imported from New York City. The import process required energy, money, and many other resources. This fact made me think of the opportunity to produce drinkable water with local systems for the benefit of residents and visitors on the island. Since there are no water services in GI houses, I offer a solution for water reusing that is both aesthetic and energy efficient. The first domestic scale project is in House 14. It is a home system that integrates in the house and forms a part of its design. The second factory scale project is located at the South Pro because wave intensity is stronger at the tip of the island. It is also near the picnic area for the purpose of serving as an educational recreation place. In the speculative section, I investigated water composition. It represents ingredients as salt, nutrients, and water pollution made by boats. We can also notice natural phenomena like circulation caused by upwelling and downwelling. This is a global picture of future possibility of rising sea. When the land will be flooded, more salt water will seep to the freshwater aquifer. Therefore, as the sea level rises, the need for desalinated water will probably increase. This project combines two systems, greywater recycling and rainwater harvesting. Both systems are based on the concept of water circulation. One gets used water from the house and the other from rainwater. This gravity-fed manual system does not require electricity or pumps because it works on gravity, taking the greywater and rainwater to the area needed. The greywater flow from sinks, baths, washer machines, and dishwashers, and then move through filtering device. Clean water output used for garden irrigation, toilet flushing, and car washing. The system is connected with pipes to the sanitary facilities in the house. Each vessel has an estimated capacity calculated by the average usage, according to the number of occupants. The capacities are converted into volumes that are divided between several vessels. Combining them together makes the complete system. Looking from inside, we can see the idea of creating a system that blends into the walls of the house as part of the overall design, like a wild plant that grows into the surfaces and climbs up to the roof. The goal is to form a functional and aesthetic system that confronts the users with their water usage, while the remediation system embedded within the house. This project is about seawater desalination with minimal use of energy. The facility also serves as an educational exhibit that allows visitors to tour inside it in order to understand how the system operates. The energy saving is reflected in two spots. The power of tidal brings the seawater to the ground and allows them to seep into the initial filtration tank. The waste generated in the process is used as an energy source after being processed in an energy recovery device. I used Tampa Bay facility as a framework for sizing GI proposal. This planet produces up to 25 million gallons of drinkable water per day. The main stage in the process is the reverse osmosis. At this point, the water, which was undergone initial filtration, passes through thin membranes on the way to becoming potable water. The design of the desalination planet is inspired by breweries that offer an instructive tour experience. It is not only a place that converts seawater to drinkable water, but it also an opportunity to expose this process to the public. The complexity of the bridges produces a unique experience of touring between the various facilities. Different looks and angles make it possible to get to know the system in an unusual way. In this section, we can see the circulation of the movement in the structure. The idea was to produce a comprehensive experience and allow movement above, below, and inside the various vessels and containers. In the future, I imagine how GI can be a prototype for the world as a place with an independent water system. This goal can be achieved if water recycling system will be installed on 80% of residential and 90% of non-residential buildings. 3 desalination facilities on the island can provide drinking water for 1 million residents and 500,000 visitors a year. Thank you for listening.